I don't know what I have done. I just want the public to know. Am I not an Igbo man? Am I not entitled to have a property in my own state? Good afternoon. This is the second time my building destroyed in Owerri for this for the past 15 years. Nobody is contesting the ownership of this place with me. Here, I started getting reports that one thing as someone else is interested in the place. I said, this is my land. How? Somebody wants to take over my land for no justice. He sent some people to demand 7 million naira from me. I gave them 7 million not to maintain peace. After some time, he sent the same people again, the same person again, called Dundun, Motama, Dundun. Let me mention his name. I have the proof of payment. He came back again, sent money for 10 million naira. That Chinasa said I should give him another 10 million naira. I said, I will not give. I have the CFO of the land. I have the CFO of the land. I have made payment to OCDA regarding this place. Everything I'm doing here, I paid OCDA, I paid 2 million naira. These are the receipts I made to the OCDA. After giving them 7 million naira, he said that they want another 10 million naira. I said, I won't give you any money again. This is the CFO of the land.
Wow.
This is the CFO. The CFO of the land. This is the master plan. The master plan of this area. This land was captured in the master plan. Nobody's contesting with me. I don't know the problem. Look at, they came here today and destroyed this place.
Who am I?
What for?
Why
are you destroying my land?
To talk.
I said I should make this public. I don't know what I have done that warrants this persecution. I just want the public to know, am I not an Igbo man? Am I not entitled to have a property in my own state? What have I done? That's what I say for now.